Hi you guys, it's your girl Victoria and I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be me doing my silk press on my own hair. You guys, it was some hard times doing this, but if you guys want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If you haven't followed my social media accounts, they are linked below. Definitely check out my Instagram because I am being a little bit more consistent on there. So if you like to see like new stuff or snippets of the video before you even watch it, then stay tuned for that. And let's get into the video. Alright, so first you want to start out by shampoo and conditioning your hair. Make sure that you condition from the roots onto the ends of your hair because it is very important that you wash all the excess like dirt off your hair. After that, I do a aloe vera treatment with a real aloe vera leaf, and I cut the aloe vera up and I just rub the aloe vera onto my head. So if you guys would like to see how I do that, like a special video, let me know in the comments below because I think that it really helps with my hair. As you guys can see, the back is curly, but the front still has like some pieces that probably can be cut off, like this and this, but I'm not cutting those pieces because it's gonna make my hair really uneven, and I'm gonna have to like cut a lot off, and I'm just really not trying to do that right now. So now I'm gonna section my hair probably into like 2 or 4 pieces, and I'm going to brush it out. So every time I go to blow dry my hair, after I section a spot off, I always go in with BioSilk and I run that through my hair because I feel like it gives it a nice shine after I'm done blow drying it, but it also makes the heat not so strong on the hair. So now that that's brushed out, I'm gonna take my blow dryer. I'm just gonna blow dry this section. Okay, got all the static going on. But this is my hair. This is my natural length. I'm gonna do like a whole 360 for you guys to see. Put a little curl on it. And then I'm going to wrap it up. Alright you guys, so this is my silk press. I definitely could have cut some ends off, but like I said, I'm not cutting any ends today because I don't have the right shears. You have to make sure you have the right shears. But besides that, usually when I'm done my silk press, I wrap my hair and blow dry it on cool. I actually have to film another video right now, so I'm not going to be able to do that. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video.